Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here we are in the standard photo mode, so we can unroll the top bar, because as you can see, thanks to this we can open more options. Unfortunately, we do not have the timer here, so let's enter the settings, which should be in the right lower corner of this section. Let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got the timer, so let's tap. And here we've got basically 4 different options of the timer from which we can choose. Currently we've got the timer off, but we can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay in order to show you. As you can see, after tapping on the particular option, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that the timer has been set. So now we can go back to the to the camera, and now basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or from 3 or 5, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So now we have to wait a second, and the photo has been taken. So basically this is how to set the timer. Of course you can pick the 3 or 5 seconds delay. Let me turn off this option, so let me go back, the timer, and tap on off. Now let's go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.